Let's chat about what I do and how you can do it too. Okay, so MRR, Master Resale Rights. I know you guys are seeing this everywhere. I'm gonna give you the tea on how either this can help you with your current business or help you create a business from scratch. P.S. This is completely beginner friendly, so you don't need any experience at all. It's a digital course that you download that teaches you absolutely everything about digital marketing. How to create your own digital products, how to make a funnel, a sales page, purchase page, how to build a receipt, email marketing, affiliate marketing, branding, content creation ideas. It literally gives you all of the tea about digital marketing. Plus, there's a community involved. So if you ever need any help, any guidance or support, that's what the community is there for. I'm also here to help you along the way. Let's dive a little bit deeper. So say you're a personal trainer or a lash tech or some kind of entrepreneur. You have your own business. In these professions, typically you're working with one person at a time. But say you want to help more people, you can do this. What you can do is you can create a digital product like, say, 30-day booty building challenge. Or if you're a lash tech, you can make an ebook about how to have better retention. You can create this digital product, have it on your social media, and then all you have to do is drive traffic to that link. And people will buy it while you're sleeping. And this is how we can create passive income. But wait, there's more. Let's say you don't have a business, but you want to get into digital marketing. Well, it's perfect because digital marketing is just starting to blow up. So once you purchase this educational course that teaches you everything about digital marketing, you also own the rights to this course. This means that you're able to sell it for 100% profit. It's so crazy, and this is exactly what I've done to make $7,000 in my first 7 days with no experience. Check the link in my bio.